guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I wanted to make sure to do a BoxyCharm video this month because I've been missing out on the BoxyCharm videos. I like to unbox them, I like to tell you my thoughts, how much everything costs, and try it on with you. This is more of like a get ready with me try on than like really getting into BoxyCharm. We'll talk about it, but it's more of like a getting ready with me try on, and my BoxyCharm is included for the month of November, which is really exciting. I've really been enjoying the other two BoxyCharms, October and September's. I know I didn't do a BoxyCharm video, but I did like those. And I will continue to do BoxyCharm videos when I can because I really do love them. So make sure if you are new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my videos. If you don't hit the bell, you may or may not get a video from me every single time I upload. And I upload a lot. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is when I like to upload. And I have no makeup on my face because I already looked in the box and we're getting started with an eyeshadow palette. So I will be telling you guys as I go how much everything costs and whatnot, but I just thought we'd just get ready. So it's called Gold Digger this month is the kind of theme here. And you always get a little card here. So let's get started. I thought we would start with the eyeshadow palette and the Luxie brush set that we got that was so cute. So the Luxie brush set is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. It retails for $21 and it has mini brushes basically. Premium, synthetic, handcrafted brushes. I love these little bags that they come in because if I ever need to travel, I can just stick them back in the little baggies. But let me show you guys. Okay, so these are mini brushes here, like little pencil brushes. This, I'm guessing, is like a mini brow brush. I'm not gonna lie, these look gorgeous, but they feel very, very cheap, I want to say. They're very light. They feel like something I find at the dollar store. They don't have a lot of hairs, a lot of bristles, so let's find out about this. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with a limited edition BoxyCharm collaboration. The Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for BoxyCharm. Their mini round brush is perfect for smudging or smoking out your lower lashes. Mini tapered lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. Mini flat angled brush lets you blend out harsh lines to pack on the cream products to your lid. Mini angled pop color to your brow bone. Yeah, these are so freaking tiny. Yeah, these two little ones are so tiny, and this one is like, I mean, we're gonna see right now. These are like so tiny. Anyways, but they're cute. The colors are cute. They're gold, they're cute. Okay, so, I don't know. This, I would not pay $21 for this, but I'm just saying. I'm just being honest, I'm just saying. Okay. Okay, and then the eyeshadow palette that came is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. Looks like this. The front of it looks like this. Gorgeous packaging. Cardboard. You don't get a mirror, but you get a beautiful design. And then you have these 8 beautiful colors. The gold is beautiful. You get some mattes in here. This is beautiful. So we're gonna start with this palette right here. And I'm gonna start by using last month's BoxyCharm product, the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. Oh my gosh, my eye was itchy for a second. And I'm gonna put this all over, and we'll see if I can create a whole look with just this palette. I probably can. But I actually am going out today, so I don't want to create anything crazy. Oh, I forget that you don't need a lot of this primer. A little goes a long way for this primer. And I always get way too much. So I prime my lids. Let's get started. I think I'm going to start by putting patchouli all over the lid, into the crease with this mini tapered 121 brush. Mostly into the crease because this is actually, whoa. Because this brush is so little, it like concentrated, it really like I can even see that, like skin tone color. Then I'm gonna get into cinnamon right here, very carefully with the same tapered brush. This is Poppy. I'm gonna get into that with the same brush. Chewy or whatever this one's called again, and kind of go over that myrtle on the lid. All right, and then I'm gonna get into Primrose and put that in the middle here. Let's see what happens. That actually looks nice. Wish I had like a black to just deepen it a little tiny bit. Chewy or whatever. I like it. These are nice. These are pigmented. I'll swatch them all. Ooh, and they feel really soft. So they're very pigmented. They're nice. They're big. But I probably wouldn't use this alone very often. Deepen that up a little bit. Then we have this, which is the Joda Blue Glitter Star Eyeliner. I'm sorry that I'm not pronouncing this correctly. I don't know. I've never tried anything from this brand. Jonta Blue. So, okay. I'm gonna put that into the tight line, into the waterline. Ooh. Even though it's one of those, pencil ones, it applies pretty good. Like, I thought it was gonna be dry, but actually I don't have to push too hard. Actually a really nice pencil. I actually really like that. Okay, I'll try it. So next is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. I have not tried the glitter drops. I do like the Cover FX drops. This one is called Nova, which is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. This retails for $44. It says you can use alone, under or over makeup, mixed in with your foundation, which I'm not gonna do because that would be a glittery mess. But I'm gonna put this on the highlight, like the highlight points before foundation, and let's see if it actually works that way. And I'll even put it on top if I need to. I'm gonna put it, oh my gosh, it is very glittery, very gold. I hope that this doesn't turn into like a mess. It does look very glittery. Okay, let's put on foundation. I had already applied my primer, and it was this Too Faced Hangover RX primer. Oh my, holy glitter, man. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour wear hydrating foundation, and I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Love is a Foundation brush. Actually, it doesn't look glittery underneath the foundation. Like, it just looks glowy. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna put this cinnamon on the lower lashes. And I guess I'll use one of these tiny little brushes here. I'm gonna go over top of that with Chewy or whatever that one is called. I probably, if I looked at it long enough, I could figure out what that actually says. We also got lashes, which is the last thing that came in the box, is lashes. So this one is from Lashaholic Lashes, Insta Glam False Eyelashes, retail for $14.99, made with silk fibers. They're okay. They're really thin, they're not voluminous. Every time, it doesn't surprise me, I've never gotten a really voluminous lash in my BoxyCharm. I feel like they go with something, which makes sense because this probably will fit like a variety of people, because some people don't, I mean, they don't want crazy lashes, you know what I mean? like these. They're like curved like down. Just, they're odd, but I guess they're wearable, which is good. They're glam but wearable. Okay, so there are the lashes. You can still see like the glitz and the glitter on my cheek. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I'm not gonna put any more of this on because I'm scared to do so. Okay, so let's finish the rest of the face. I am going to get into the Be a Light from Becca in medium to deep. I'm gonna get into the bronzer and I'm gonna bronze up like crazy. Contour slash bronze. Okay, and I'm gonna use this blush here. If you don't like glitter, you're probably not gonna like this BoxyCharm. I do really like the eyeliner though. So this here is the ColourPop What's Your Sign. I know I use this all the time. And just use my finger to really blend it out so it looks as effortless and as nice as possible. There we go. So this is the finished look for BoxyCharm, you guys. What do you guys think? This is kind of the look that I ended up coming out with the November BoxyCharm. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit unimpressed. I like the eyeshadow palette, it's really nice. The brushes, even though they felt not as nice quality, still performed really nicely and did actually a really good job. I was kind of impressed with that. The lashes look very natural glam, which I like. I'm not sure why they want to like go down. Like these ones are shaped like, and they kind of like want to go down. Like they don't want to show off all of everything that it has. They're just odd shaped, but they're nice and they are very wearable. Like I can wear them today. I'm going just to the store. I don't know, guys. I'm not impressed with this BoxyCharm. I do really like the eyeliner though. I really actually do like this, surprisingly. And you can't really see like the glitter. Like the glitter kind of falls off. But as far as like for being a pencil you sharpen, it is very pigmented. Like I didn't have to try very hard to get the color into the tight line or the waterline, and it didn't hurt or anything like that. So I'm really impressed with this. I like the eyeshadow palette. That's nice. I am scared to continue to try the Cover FX glitter. I think I'm gonna have to pass this on because it's scary to me. The lashes are nice and the brush set was surprisingly nice. So I don't know, I came out with a pretty cool look. I like the look. I think it is like fallish, like cranberry with, I don't know. I like the look. I think it turned out nice. Let me know if you guys got this, what you guys got in your BoxyCharm. What do you guys like from the palette? I do like whenever we get eyeshadow palettes because I do like to have a variety of eyeshadow palettes, and oftentimes I love them. So I'm gonna have to keep on trying this, and I'll probably let you guys know next month what I feel about this palette. Next month is gonna be the BoxyCharm Luxe, and I do believe that I'm on that list to get the BoxyCharm Luxe. So I'll let you guys know, and I'll definitely be doing a video with that one. Have you guys gotten the BoxyCharm Luxe? Do you know what I'm talking about? Anyways, yeah, so I hope you guys liked this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys liked seeing how I apply the BoxyCharm products onto my face. I'm being a total downer. You guys, the products are great. The products are great. It's super, for $21 for a box, getting a palette itself was worth it. I love you guys. I guess I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.